Good morning, class 11. My dear student, topic complex number is continued. Dear student, as you know, complex number that is z equal to x plus iota 1. Here x is the real part of complex number and y is the imaginary part of complex number. Dear student, as you know, iota equal to root minus 1. Dear student, today we will learn to find the modulus and argument of the complex number. So topic is to find modulus and argument of the complex number. First is modulus. Dear student, modulus is denoted by mod z. Mod z means modulus of the complex number. Now, this modulus is equal to root of x square plus y square. Mod z, this is the formula. What is the modulus of the complex number? It is square root of square of the real part of complex number. Real means RE z square plus imaginary part of the complex number square, it is IM z square. X means real part of z and y means imaginary part of z. So we can write it is the real part of square plus imaginary part of z whole square. This way we find the modulus of the complex number. Dear student, next is argument. As you know, complex number z equal to x plus iota y. X is the real part of the complex number z and y is the imaginary part of z. Dear student, the argument is an angle. It is theta and tan theta equal to y upon x. So theta equal to tan inverse y upon x. Now let's come on the detail of all these things. Dear student, there is an Argand plane. Name of the plane is called Argand plane. Dear student, let there is a complex number z. Then, if we draw the perpendicular, it is x, that is y. So it is the real part, it is the x-axis, y-axis. And y-axis is called imaginary axis. Imaginary axis. It is the real axis. So in the Argand plane there are two axes, real axis and the imaginary axis. This is real part of z and this is the imaginary part of z. Then this value O P, there is a point P, is called R, or is the argument. Argument is the theta and OP is this distance is called modulus of the complex number. So mod z equal to R, its value root x square plus y square. And argument is this angle theta and where tan theta equal to, in this triangle, tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan theta equal to y upon x. And the angle theta is called argument. Dear student, argument is angle theta. So angle theta is called argument. And where tan theta equal to y upon x, so we will find the value of theta, which is the argument, and value of r. It is called the modulus of the complex number. Dear student, next is polar form of the complex number. Polar form of Z. Dear student, as you know, Z equal to x plus iota y. The value of Z in terms of x and y, it is called Cartesian form of the complex number. The value in terms of r and theta, that is called polar form of complex number. So we will find the polar form. Dear student, if we consider the triangle OPL, let this point is L, then in triangle OPL, OL upon OP equal to cos theta. Since OL is the base, OP is the hypotenuse, so base upon hypotenuse equal to cos theta. OL is x, OP is r, it is cos theta. So value of x equal to r cos theta. Similarly, PL upon OP is sin theta. PL is y, OP is r, is sin theta. So y equal to r sin theta. Now putting the value of x and y here, so polar form becomes Z equal to r cos theta plus r sin theta. Dear student, r is common, so cos theta plus iota sin theta is called polar form of the complex number. It is another way to represent the complex number. So polar form is Z equal to r bracket cos theta plus iota sin theta. Where r is same, r equal to root of x square plus y square, which is called the modulus of the complex number, and tan theta, where theta is called argument. Tan theta equal to y upon x and theta equal to tan inverse. There is a need of little bit inverse trigonometry. So theta is tan inverse y upon x. And this theta is called argument of the complex number. My dear student, now exercise 5.2, question number 1. Find the modulus and the argument of each of the complex number in exercise 1 to 2. Dear student, z equal to -1 minus iota root 3. The modulus is represented by mod z. It is root of x square plus y square. Dear student, here x equal to -1 and y equal to minus root 3. X is the real part of complex number and y is the imaginary part of complex number. So it is root of minus 1 square plus minus root 3 square, which is 1 plus 3 and 1 plus 3 is 4, so value is 2. And this modulus cannot be negative. So the value of modulus is 2 here. Now, dear student, let us find the argument. For argument, first of all, we will find the value of tan theta. Tan theta equal to y upon x. Dear student, we will check the value of z. It is lying in which quadrant? So, let us see. This is the Argand plane. Is the imaginary axis. It is the real axis. And here x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus root 3. So, this point minus 1 comma minus root 3 lie in the third quadrant. Therefore, the argument is more than 180. So, tan theta equal to minus root 3 upon minus 1, cancel root 3. Dear student, the value of root 3 is tan of 180 plus 60. Since here angle lie in the third quadrant, it is more than 180 and it is tan of 240 degree. So, and here theta equal to 240 degree. If we write this angle in terms of pi, so it is 240 into pi upon 180, 0 0 cancel, 6 4 ja and 6 3 ja. 6 4 ja 24, 3 ja 18, so it is 4 pi upon 3. My dear student, argument is 4 pi by 3 and modulus is 2. That is the solution of this particular question.